Fallout 76. This is Jim. And just recently, I have unlocked one of the special Halloween items of the event challenges. Let's take a look at that now. So for the past 2 weeks, we've had these anniversary/Halloween challenges. And the one I'm talking about in this episode is complete trick-or-treat weekly challenges. 2 for 2, so 2 weeks worth. Halloween chainsaw skin. So I just unlocked that just now. And how you had to complete these challenges is you had to complete trick-or-treat weekly. So down here, complete trick-or-treat daily challenges, 5 for 5. So 5 for 5 last week, 5 for 5 this week. And that's how you're able to unlock this event and complete it. So I just happen to have a chainsaw on me. Oh yeah, there we go. So let's go to our handy dandy weapon workbench, where you go to modify. Go down the chainsaw. So there we go, there's our Halloween paint. Pretty sharp, eh? I'm not a melee player by any means, but this is pretty cool. So you see what this looks like now. So let's put a couple mods on it, and I just happen to have some mods. So we got, instead of a standard bar, we'll put the old long bow bar on. But before we do that, we need the makeshift warrior rank 4. So let's equip that. I believe it's under intelligence. Level 5, there we go. Even better. Back to modify. Chainsaw. Long bow bar. We'll put that on. What kind of mod we got? We got the flamer mod, even better. Oh yeah. Default appearance, Halloween paint, there we go. So that's with the long bow bar and the flamer mod and the Halloween paint on this flaming chainsaw. Pretty cool, eh? What do you think of that there, boys? What do you think of that there? Pretty sweet, eh? It's pretty awesome. Jeez, I keep going up here. What's going on with this camera? I ever told you guys I'm not good at the camera? Alright. Pretty sharp. Alright. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share when you have the chance because it helps me out. And I hope you all have a nice day.